Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell. Today's gonna be the Samsung Knight's first time ever unboxing an iPhone. Yeah, I guess anything's possible, huh? And not just any iPhone. You can see obviously right here are the latest iPhone 11 Pro Max right here. And yeah, I may be late to the game and everything. Like the iPhone 12 is about to come out now, but I'll still be getting that. And I got the most spec'd out configuration that you could ever think of. Now, I'll talk about that later with the prices and everything, but let's see what an unboxing is for a flagship phone on the Apple side of things. Alright, so we're at the unboxing table, and as you can see, like, this isn't my first unboxing with an iPhone. Like, I already had an iPhone X for however long now, but I had this iPhone X for like maybe, I don't really remember how long I had this now, but it's janky and everything. Like, you can see the line in the middle, like, it's getting upgraded. Just the regular iPhone X, but it's in 256 gigs, so it's decent. But now we got my specific iPhone that I wanted. Like, just trust me guys, like, especially with food, I'm a picky dude, okay? So like, I only wanted this model right here. And here's the model that I got. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the top end version with the white, and it's in 512 gigs. So let's talk about that pricing though. So for the specific model that I wanted, yes, again, like I said, I know I'm really late into the iPhone cycle. There's about to be an iPhone 12 coming out like right around the corner, but I'll get that, like I said already. But for the specific one that I wanted, the price ran me, and I'm reading this off of my receipt right here from Verizon, $1,545.55, including the Wisconsin state sales tax and the local sales tax and everything like that. Ooh, yeah, that kind of hurt me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Now, yes, I'm already used to this phone price. Well, no, I'm not really used to this phone pricing. But I have a Galaxy Fold that I'm recording with. I don't know if you can, well, here, let me pull up the camera real quick. And you can see right there, there's my Galaxy Fold, and you can see right here my Z Flip. So I'm no stranger to expensive phones, but I'm still getting used to this, man. And I don't really want to get used to this. That's the scary part. But so let's look around this box real quick. I never unboxed an iPhone before. This is my first brand new iPhone ever, and let me show you something real quick. I got me a trusty little Dollar Tree screen protector, so we'll see how that works out. But on the front, so we have our iPhone here, just here in the middle and everything. And on the left side, we got iPhone. On the right side, we got iPhone. On the back, we just got 512 gigs and what's inside the box. Some of the specs and everything. Now let's go and look at the top. We got the Apple logo, and at the bottom we got the Apple logo, and we got this easy pull tab here. Samsung, take notes of that, for real. It was just that easy. Now let's go ahead and see, do we have to take anything else off? Nope, it doesn't look like it. So are you guys ready for the Samsung Knight to unbox his first ever iPhone? I don't know why, it kind of reminds me of the first iPhone and how the whole black theme was going on with that. But let's go ahead and take this out the box, and it's just got in the mail today. But oh man, there is our iPhone. So yeah, that is a humongous camera right there. Now I had an S20 Ultra, so I'm already used to this stuff, okay? So it's kind of cute to me when I saw the S20 Ultra camera, but it's still big, okay? But yeah, so here's our iPhone. So my God, let's go ahead and turn this thing on real quick and see if we got some juice in here. And let's see, yes we do. So let's go ahead and put that to the side right there. We got designed by Apple in California. So let's go and see what's up in here. So we got our hello, our usual books and stuff, but what we do with that, we throw it to the side. And then in here we have our Apple stickers. I'll go and troll somebody with those probably. Some more books and stuff. Let's see with that, nothing there. So yeah, so we have our SIM card ejector tool in here. And well, yeah, that's pretty much it. So in the box we have our USB-C to Lightning. So thank you Apple, this is actually a fast charger too. We'll see what we got with the iPhone 12. I heard we might even get earpods with the iPhone 12 in the box, but we'll see about that. But yeah, so we have our earpods in here, no earpods. And then we have our USB-C to Lightning. So just Apple, just go to USB-C. I heard about the whole portless iPhone and everything about that from Talos Tech, but just go to USB-C. How about you just make everybody's lives a little bit easier? Like everybody wants USB-C, everybody's asking for it. We got it on the iPad and the MacBook Pro and all that stuff, so why not? But so let's go and plug this thing in here, and boom. Now I think that's pretty much it for the box. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this off. There we go. And yeah, it's got a good feel. Not gonna lie to y'all, my iPhone's over here crying because it knows it's about to get replaced. But how about we go ahead and set this thing up, and you can see right there I got LTE, so there's already a SIM card in here. But let me go and set this thing up, and I'll get back to y'all.
this as a Chucky Beat production.
Alright, so at this point it's going ahead and just transferring everything from my iPhone X to my new 11 Pro Max. So I'm gonna just go and skip through this and then I'll get back to y'all. I'm not gonna fast forward through this. Alright, so cool. It looked like our iPhone 11 Pro Max is actually booting up right now and setting everything up to finish everything up, and it looks like everything finished transferring from this iPhone X. So Latrell, your first ever Apple iPhone unboxing ever. So how did that go, huh? How did that feel? Meh, like it was cool, like yeah, new phone, who this, alright then, like that's dope. But to be honest with y'all, like, and you shouldn't be surprised by this at all, like I am the Samsung Knight, like I feel like I get more of an exciting feeling when I unbox the Galaxy, and especially that Galaxy Fold, man, like that just killed everything for me, like woo, man, that just, ooh man, that was something. And when that Galaxy Fold 2 come out, woo, man, just get ready for that one. Alright, new phone, who this indeed. My iPhone 11 Pro Max is set up. So far, this matte finish here on the back, it feels better than I thought, not gonna lie to y'all. Now, the S10 5G, I felt that already, that has a matte back too, so cool, but I'm still team glossy back. Now you can see right here where the camera is and the Apple logo, that's just glossy, but the rest is just matte. But I'm gonna go and play with this some more. I'll let y'all know how I feel about this, and I'm gonna go and cut it here, y'all. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like, and if you really liked it, go and subscribe, but go and follow me on my social media, EddieSentech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter so I'm most active. But if you'll excuse me, I got a custard from Culver's to go ahead and buy because man, them custards slap, man, I'm telling y'all. I live out here in Wisconsin where they have a Culver's out here. If you don't know what Culver's is, just look it up. Like it's honestly better than In-N-Out Burger. Like when I was in Vegas, I had In-N-Out, but Culver's, man, that's just a whole different type of level of just, man, that's good. Their burgers and everything. But thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see you on the next one. Did you expect this? Because, well, I didn't, but yeah, so peace out.